Welcome to Adventures with my bestie, where fun's never done. This book belongs to you. Let's see what we can do. Hello, my friend. How do you do? I've made a list of fun things for two. On a bright day, we can go out and play. Walk in the park. Sit in the shade. Or skip to our favorite spot we made. When the weather is just right, we can choose a fun delight. Splash in puddles, cool and bright. Make snow angels till they're just right. Hike up a hill. Or snack and chill. If we stay in, don't you fear. We'll have fun with friends so near. We can put on a play. Dance to a tune. Or sing our favorite songs by noon. Create some crafts. Try yummy treats. Or celebrate with something sweet. Maybe a sleepover will be the best. A cozy night of fun and rest. We'll sip warm milk and take a bath. Then drift to sleep on a dreamy path. Thank you for sharing this wonderful day. Goodbye for now. Come back and play. Did you have fun on this ride? Subscribe to Tickle Time TV for more adventures by your side.